unu kwesịrị iri tụgharịtụ. So now this is happening live. That's happening live. Okay.
Area Fada.
I hope you people know where you are now. We have to stop at the center. You are now live on the Media TV.
Oh, yeah, JJ. We did.
Our own Media TV. You are now live.
I know Ganga.
Yes,
that is, we can perform anywhere. On a main road, I know there. Yeah.
We already causing promotion. So for many of you who do not know, Maazi Ezeoke is actually in London. Maazi Ezeoke in London. So see Marlene, I'm here with Marlene. Lady Marlene Onyocha. The party
Yes.
And then area. We don't no. I have a good monguna. No, I have a good mong. So this is now live happening. I remember her.
Remember the Miss Adama we talked about?
How are you? I remember her, the protest.
Let me get some pages.
Exactly. That's all.
I got it. Oh, what am I using ordinary pages? That's why.
How you doing? Everything. Yeah, Hajia. Then I
Let me introduce you to my friend. They are Charly. Oh, that's
So everybody, I'm here live in London, obviously. Maazi Ezeoke here live in the United Kingdom. I'm here live with the area Fada himself, Charly Boy, and we have inside, we have Obi Cubana, also is here with us. So hopefully we would at some point get him out because it's too dark inside, you know. In this party place, they do some magic. They put all these some funny lights that my camera can't even work properly. So what I'm doing now is to show you what's happening here. So you see, that is it. That is the area Fada himself. Odigi 2, area Fada 1. Now so area Fada, ndị nọ online na si gwa nu ha okwu. Kedu ka ụbọchị si kwuru? Ịma na o nwere egwu a ịnọ na-ekwu na ọ ga-apụta. So kwa na kedu odudu bariba the video is not ga-apụta on twin. Wow, double portion. I'll be triple.
That is over to Lama. All you need to do, chant that spiritual name. Go to the Bariba. Go here 7 times.
Get disappear. The area Fada himself. The area Fada himself. So on the 20th of September. Odudu Bariba ga-apụta live. Oh, ọ ga-adị egwu. The mmanwụ ga-egwu. Everywhere.
Don't tell anybody.
So many of you watching Odudu Bariba would also be live on Media TV. So you guys would understand. Oh, the what? Njenje Media TV, no, the two dafo. Nkanye bonkanye. It could make sense. So people, you can see it's crowded outside. That's why we're here. We're still live and direct, and this is Maazi Ezeoke still here. You can see it. What time is it now, people? Huh? You won't tell me.
I'll tell you.
I haven't got. No, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 minutes after 10. It's actually. So everyone, go and call your yard people. It go happen here. It go happen. So, show some love to the Odudubariba, who marks himself, that is Odudubariba of Africa. Juliet Akujeze, they asked, who marks himself? Laura Quinn, you won't join us. Laura, I'm actually in London. You won't join us. It is happening. The legend himself is performing. The legend himself is performing. So that's what is happening. And we are here. We are here. Let me show you where we are. We are, what is it called? Inish. See, that's what's happening.
Yes, my G.
Is that your car?
Of course it is.
Oh, I tell you, I suspected you. You look like a salesman.
Of course. We deal with all the Nigerians in this country.
You sell stuff to them.
Yeah, but they're the best salespeople in the world, isn't it?
It's a please pop by. Okay.
Brother, you
are you
inside soon?
Are you in London?
Now you can tell me. You're going to perform or not, innit?
No, the masquerade doesn't talk.
That's fine, bro. Enjoy the vibe. Enjoy the vibe.
Yeah.
That's it. Enjoy the vibe. Welcome to
We are enjoying the vibe. And the vibe is happening live on the right.
Yeah, look.
And we are telling the world.
The news reporter.
I'm telling you.
News reporter.
Oh, dear. So tell me, what do you know about Nigeria?
Huh?
What do you know about
Nigeria?
Yeah.
They're very good people, very talented people.
Yeah.
They're very, very hard to deal with certain ways.
Yeah.
Because they always want to be right.
Yeah, when it comes to money, is it?
Of course. Certain countries live in a very hard life.
Yeah.
So when it comes to money is precious for everyone.
Yeah.
They're not going to let go.
You know?
All right?
Yeah. when it comes to money, Nigerians are tight.
Hey, brother, don't put me on life.
Yeah.
They're good. We good. I mean, Nigeria, we good.
Yeah.
But anything mix up with money, we don't mix up with money.
When it comes to money, we tight, is it?
Oh, my guy inside. Uncle,
So, you see?
Big man.
come on, take him inside.
Now,
Big man there,
the show is about to go
What's
off.
that?
The show is about to go off. We are still live. We are still live, people. We are still live. We are still live, you see? Yeah. So you can talk to Odudubariba now. Talk to him now before we get in. So we are still live, people. We are still live. We are still live. We are not impressing anyone. So people, you see, we are going live now. Obi Cubana is here, so, and the area Fada himself. Oh, thank you. Let's go.
I have some men of timber caliber there. Okay.
Thank you.
We came prepared. If you want to spend money, where is the dollar man? Dollar man, where are you? Dollar man, this is, hey, you will not disappear at your time. No, you can, so if you want to spend money, where is the dollar man here? We get out and see. Ladies and gentlemen, the area Fada, Odudubari, ladies and gentlemen. careful that people. No, not figure out Charly boy. He's the only area father. Ladies and gentlemen, Charly boy coming in. Please give it up for the one and only area father, Charly boy. Okay. Hey, Charly. Charly boy is the only man that refuses to grow old.
Why you go grow old? You don't grow. You never grow. You never grow. So make I go say hello to Obi Cubana. You see, I know say in the heat. I'll come back to him. So Obi Cubana the heat. So we'll come back. Please.
I'll go find another.
Come. Now you be the main guest, okay? Oh.
So you dey injure me, I didn't take you two pictures. Let me take you two pictures.
Oh, yeah, Kuloto. Oh, where? The quick in a shake here.
God.
Up 50 million to rip that thing.
I'm blocking your view. It's my party. Alex.
You are confusing people. Exactly.
You say you don't want to drink anything. You don't want to drink anything. Huh? You know they're drunk. Give me more. I'll bring it.
And I also say in the house, if you want to play for the Oputa now, everyone is agreeing to bring something special person.
So all of you asking questions, you better begin calm down. The show is about to start. You don't charge your battery. Hello? No, because while we do that, says Yamuna.
See my friend. Hello, Daddy. I didn't know he was sitting there. Look at Daddy. Natalie Paul.
Ina kulu na otakunu says ya.